What's up, everyone? So got home, put in 16 and a half, 17 hours, something like that last night. Kind of go through my little routine when I get home. I always get a couple cookies for my dogs, let them out, get them some water, and then I grab my peptides. So got peptides I take before I go to bed. My Tesamorelin, my Ipamorelin with CJC, and I take my KLOW stack, which is BPC 157, KPV, GHKCU, and TB 500. So that stuff all together, you know, the Tesa and the Ipa, that stuff helps me get human growth hormone. So it helps lose visceral fat around my midsection, but also is going to help me start to build muscle as I'm cutting. The KLOW stack, BPC, TB 500, KPV, and GHKCU, that's all about longevity. It's about just staying healthy, recovering from injuries, workout recovery, just so I can keep going. So that stuff is going to help me stay young as I start to push. And like I say, I told you I have a little thing lingering in my elbow here. This is going to help hopefully heal that stuff fast. So after I take my peptides, every day I come in, I got a storage room, got a pantry in here, big deep freeze. That's where my treadmill's at. And in the middle of the floor, I lay down a mat. I have my, what is this, Linux? Yes, it's Lunix, L-U-N-I-X. This is a infrared sauna blanket. So it has armholes in it. I tape those closed. I get my arms inside here, but I get this bad boy. I turn it up. It goes up to 185 degrees. I do it for 60 minutes, and I get a good sweat in every time when I come home. So you're gonna want to shower when you go home anyway, right? You're gonna want to get cleaned up before you go to bed. But even after a long shift like this, I do the best I can to always come in here and get the sweat out. So usually get it heated up as I'm taking my peptides. I'll turn it on, reset the timer once I get it in here, and usually got my arms and stuff. It's kind of cut, so I can put my chin right in this area and pull it up above me, and it's like a sleeping bag, but it gets hot and it lets you sweat. So I always get a good sweat in, go shower up, and then I go to bed. But I figure I'd have a little chat, kind of walk through my routine once I get home. And I don't know how to hold this damn phone. It's bothering the hell out of me. I need to put a handle on this thing. A couple of the other items. So when I get home, I always grab a FITAID. These FITAIDs that I got, they have creatine in them, BCAAs, electrolytes, turmeric, a bunch of vitamins, CoQ10, quercetin, glucosamine, all sorts of good stuff. So good for your joints, good for your heart, good for all sorts of stuff. Cognitive. I always take one of those. I wish I could swap my hands here. I use that to wash down before I go to bed. Since I sleep during the day because I had to work all night, I take these lean PMs. So this is going to help me kind of relax, get some rest when I'm laying in here. The other thing that I always have is I have a little snack before I go to bed. These Built Puff bars. I swear by them. You guys want to learn how to hit your protein goals? Protein shakes. I got Waco shakes. I got cases of them over there. Get those ice cold and chug them down. If you get them real cold, it's been freezing out here. I put them in my fridge we have out in the garage, and it's been so damn cold. They've been freezing up, but they turn into like an actual milkshake, so you get a little slushy out of it. But they're great. Those Oikos shakes, and all the different flavors, these Built Puff bars. Some are better than others, but I like the variety of them. These are s'mores ones here. They're great. Macros on these are excellent. They're a lot of the time protein bars taste just complete dog shit. These are fucking awesome. Like marshmallows with chocolate on the outside, and they taste actually good. So they're 160 calories. I think it says, what is it, 17 grams of protein? 15 grams of protein. So not bad on this one. This is the worst one as far as the macros go. 15 grams for 160. Usually I like to get 10 grams of protein for every, 10 grams of protein for every 100 calories. So this is right there. I mean, or 15 and 160, but There's some that are 17 grams of protein per 140 calories. Those are even better. But I like to, like I say, mix up the different flavors, change it up here and there, and it's good to have a snack, man. You got a sweet tooth, that's the way to go. Chocolate, vanilla, protein shakes, and all sorts of these protein bars. If you find the ones that taste good, something that you like, that's the way to go. So, gonna sit here, gonna get in this blanket, sweat up for the next hour before I hit the sheets, go to bed and do it all over again. Got another 12-hour shift tonight. So hopefully I won't have to stay there for 12 hours. We'll see how this goes. But I'll catch up with you guys later. Thank you for checking in, and everyone have the best day ever. Peace.